Here is the original damage. You can see it just broke right off there. And here it is after I cleaned it up really good and dried it with a propane torch. Alright, this is a 03 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 4.7 liter V8 in it. And I went to change my oil pressure sending unit, and when I put the new one in, it never would get tight, and I had an oil leak down here, so I think it was already broke. I wish I would have taken a video before. I got some pictures. I'll see if I can add them in the video. But the top of that broke off in two pieces where the pressure sending unit goes. So there's really no way to fix it if you can't pull the engine to weld it or anything like that. So I'm actually going to goober a whole lot more JB Weld all over this thing because I know it's going to have a lot of pressure behind it. My plan is to get a reducing bushing and move the pressure sending unit to this hole over here. It's like a spare hole that just had a plug in it. So we'll see. Hopefully it'll hold up because it's kind of a big problem. Alright, so here's the finished product. And again, what happened was, I'm guessing the last person to install this pressure sending unit over tightened it and cracked the aluminum there. And since it's part of the block, you can't really do anything but weld it. And what I did was I got an 1/8 by 27 NPT pipe plug, and I put it in the hole. Actually, first I cleaned everything up super duper good with a wire brush and dish soap and water, and got all the grease and everything like that. Don't use carburetor cleaner because it leaves an oily residue and it might affect how the JB Weld is going to hold. And so I put I JB welded everything up, got a thin layer on all the surfaces, put it all together, and I just goobered everywhere all around it. And I'm pretty confident that once this dries, it's going to be pretty strong. Don't use JB Quick or anything like that. Use the original JB Weld, and I'm definitely going to let it sit the full 24 hours before I try to do anything with it. And I tried to put it on super duper thick because I know there's quite a bit of pressure behind this. And my plan is to get a reducing bushing. I have to figure out what threads this hole over here is that's not used, and just screw the new pressure sending unit into that. And I think I'll be off to the races. And again, this is a 2003 Dodge with the 4.7 liter in it. Alright, here is what I did. That is a 1/2 inch down to 1/8 inch reducing bushing. Just plugged her right in there. Got my filter on. It's been 24 hours now, so I'm going to fill her up with oil and cross my